Hello, Connor. It is day 28, and I have a very strange variety of things to talk to you about today. First of all, the progress on your book is quite nifty. I was actually in the NFAC working on an art project when I watched it. I was kind of only half paying attention. I forgot it was a zombie book at first, and you said the name of the town, and I'm like, huh, it sounds like a place a zombie apocalypse would happen. It sounds familiar for whatever reason, but maybe it's just a good name. And I actually used to want to write when I was in like middle school, and I was horrible at it. I did write that one poem. I don't know what it means, but people say it's good. When 6th graders write poetry. Oh yeah, that's the stuff right there. On another note, my roommate, even though she's never here, when she is here, she's kind of crazy. For example, she was sitting in the hallway, studying just in the middle of the hallway, and she wanted to take a break, so she rolls down the hallway.
Tuck my knees into my sweatshirt. Oh my god. Even better. Get out of work.
Oh my god. She likes to make weird faces at me, like this creepy thing. I think I need to get an exorcist. Don't really know. Yeah. A couple weeks ago, my art professor for 101 showed us this really, really cool article on Wired.com. I'm going to put a link to the article in the description. Remember, Connor, no plagiarism. This is how you avoid plagiarism. Good little brother. It's about this 3D printer. And for whatever reason, I have never even, like, this concept of a 3D printer is not new, but I've never even considered it. Like, it's just not something I've thought about, which is weird because I think about weird things. This 3D printer is made by this company called Markerbot. It is called the Markerbot Replicator, and it is so cool. Usually with 3D printers, you have to get like this kit and set it up and this huge hassle, but it is literally just like a normal printer that you plug into your computer and voila, you can print things. You can use any type of CAD or CAD file. You can either create a file and you can print it, or you can download a file and print it. Once you have something to print, you just hit print and the printer starts printing this three-dimensional object by laying it down like layers at a time, like it goes really, really, really tiny layers though. It's made out of bioplastic, at least with this printer, and it's made out of cornstarch, which is cool because then it's good for the environment too. Bioplastic, you know. You can print anything you design. You can design new toys for your kids. They're like, hey, I want a rubber duckicorn with a pirate hat, which wouldn't work. The duckicorn horn would poke through the pirate hat. If you don't know how to design something, the printer's still fantastic. If you break or lose the letter E on the keyboard, you could hypothetically go to the manufacturer's website and print out a new button for your keyboard. It's so cool. The future is now. I'm such a nerd. I will see you next week, Connor.